Yo, how's it going, guys? we we in here, doing whatever. I don't know what the fuck I wanted to. Yo, Digital CCK, Alex, what's going on, guys? 6-7. 6-7. We love 6-7. Meme of the year right there. Hamburger. Hey, happy thanks. No. I refuse. It's not Thanksgiving anymore. It's Black Friday. You guys should, go to a store. Go outside. Go buy something. Have you learned Japanese yet? I really should start. To your Spotify, what happened? What do you mean? Is it not working? What's going on? The UI? I use a extension called Spicify, and it lets me customize it. I don't think I have any installed that look any different. But also they do update it. Oh, I was running an extension that did make it look. Yeah, I think it was lagging my Spotify for some reason, so I uninstalled it. But I could get a new one. Let's see here. Dark Themer, this looks sick. Ooh. Yeah, this is something Ransomware would use. I don't know. I might go with this. This is looking proper, dude. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, no, I don't want to use this. I don't like this. I'm good. Have you added the nuke yet? I can't say that I have, but, anything's a possibility today. Cause, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I went live. I'm like, okay, I'll figure it out, right? Eat that spoonful of honey. I'm not a huge honey guy. I never was, when it was like the extension, everybody was like advertising it. Turns out, oh, they sell user data. Like, yeah, no shit. How else do they make money, right? I'm not sure what to do today. I mean, I could fix some bugs in the Jackery's build contest game. Turns out, I'm not 100% on this, right? But I think the main issue with the building tools was just caused by the amount of players that were using them. So I don't even know how I would fix that. But that's the theory, right? Because I haven't looked too much into it. I could not be bothered to fix any bugs today. Or any time. But yeah. I don't know. I was thinking a bit of Humaning 2. Sort of want to give it a nice little touch, nice little revamp. I could also, well, let me sort the spite date created. I could make the animator tool, for the Jackery's game. That's something I could do. Did you enjoy your Thanksgiving? Yeah, it was nice. My neighbor invited us over for dinner, and she cooked, bro. It was a proper Thanksgiving dinner. Had everything, and The food was really good, so I'd say I enjoyed it. And I did, stream a lot yesterday too, so that made the day. Yeah. Nice little Thanksgiving. Hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgivings. You gotta be thankful for everything in your life, I could work on Studdle. I could... Let me make a thing. Okay, so we got Studdle, Animator Tool, Humaning 2. See, I have some group experiences I could work on. I don't feel like working on Stud Warfare or Racerbox. But that is an option. I feel like once I pick something, it should come pretty easily. I'll be locked in. You know what? I might just make the Animator Tool. I don't know. Or Studdle, these are both. Yeah. I'll see, I'll dabble in it. See how it goes. Maybe I could make an official forklift arena. I could do anything. This game is my temple. Hamburger. I should get rid of all of these print statements since I know that it's working now. I don't like having unnecessary print statements in here, so just gonna do a thing or two. I think that's the gist of it. Song request penis music? Penis music is crazy. I'll entertain your wait, Asimo is streaming? No way. That's a sick VTuber model. What the fuck? Dude, I want something like that.
I forgot I can do polls. This is great.
Oh, that's not even a VTuber model. That's just an animation. Can someone make me that?
Lots of yeses here.
Is anyone, good at fucking, I don't know, animating? Can someone make me that? I'm not copying Asimo. I'm just very inspired. I might be able to? Hell yeah, dude. That would be awesome. I was thinking of having a VTuber model or something. It kind of spikes up the stream. Just thinking of anything, really. And And there were like VTubers in stream? Okay, never mind then. Yeah, it was a stupid idea. Forget about it. Sometimes it's better to just have nothing. I guess that's valid. But what's something I could do to spice up the streams? Because, like, I mean, I'm glad the streams avatars are working now. I really like that. You know, we got the dog ball, we got the fucking tuna. Or is it spiced enough, you know? Maybe it is. Oh, look at that hot man. Oh my god, who is that guy? He's looking proper, dude. Gotta get all of the Huz. All of them. Every single one of the Huz in the chat. Looking for fucking pretty statements right now. I don't think I have any. Might be some in here. Forklift model. I want to do the math, see how many lines I wrote for this game. Since I charge by the line. Okay, let's see. We got where do I even start? Admin. Okay, we got 105 plus 195 plus 429 plus 87 plus 51 plus 18 plus 75 plus 36. Is that all? No, there's the landlord. Plus 398. I guess there's also this stuff. Plus 167. 67. Plus 104. I wrote 1665 lines of code in the span of a week. And that's pretty good. Not gonna lie. Get the fucking plugin. Okay, let me show you what happens when I use the fucking plugin. I wrote 99,000 lines of code. Hell yeah. Don't count that shit? What do I count from this? Like, uncheck the boxes? Okay. We got 42,000. Let's fucking go. Because majority of this is F3X and Adonis, which obviously I did not write. Yeah, I just casually wrote 42,000 lines of code. What can I say? I'm a working hard or hardly working. My code's not that dog shit. Or modular or whatever. Beast? Yeah. If I actually did, then I'd be sleeping on a hefty paycheck. But yeah, no, Rocco did this before, and it's like, this is a lot of code. So I want to make the animator tool, and I'm not quite sure how I want to make it, because I know the gist of it, right? Actually, I'm not sure if it even should be a separate tool, because I guess it could be. I'm not sure. Well, the idea is that, right, you have a timeline, right, and then you select a keyframe, you move something, select new keyframe, right, move it back, right, and it's all local. So then, you know, Jack comes up to the plot, it's like a button says play animation, right, and it plays it out, right. Now, I don't know if I should make it. I guess I should make it a separate tool, but then what, I'm gonna have to recode F3X pretty much, and it'd be better to make it work with F3X. But that's such a hustle. I also just keep it minimal, like I limit it to move and rotation, but that's no fun. I don't know. Cause say theoretically I do use F3X, then I would have to. What exactly is the purpose of updating this? Is Jack going to use again? Yeah, no, this wasn't a one-time thing. He's gonna do these contests more in the future. And I would love to add more features to it if I can. I would not do all this for like one fucking stream, you know? Like, you know, the fucking avatar editor I made, like, what, 2 years ago, right? He still uses it, like, pretty much every stream. So, yeah. Now, I don't know how often he's gonna do building contests, because, like, they do take a long time, but it's still cool. Just have it here. But yeah, an animator tool would be really cool. Next game jam, me and you need to work on a project. You know, next game jam, I'm gonna be in Japan, bro. Hopefully. I don't know. I went live today. I said I was gonna like work on schoolwork, cause you know I'm like really fucking behind. I'm like, no, I'd rather like code something. It's productive time wasting. I mean, I still have 3 days. And I need to write like 2 essays. It's fine. I'd win. I'd fish. As someone with ADHD, waiting until last minute never pans out. It doesn't. It really doesn't. Are you saying I should end stream, go over to my fucking essay right now? It's just really fucking feel like. Let's get it over with so you're not filled with anxiety. You're right. But let me just code for like an hour or two. I did plan on waking up earlier so I could get it done, but I'll do it later. You do you. You're an adult now, so like figure it out? Okay. Thanks, Cat. You're right, I am an adult. And I'm making the adultly decision to not do my adultly work. I'll do it later, it's fine. This is what adults do. They fucking... It's gonna be funny when you don't get accepted to your silly Japanese school because you forgot to do an essay. That would be so fucking funny. Well, it's more like if I don't do the essay, because it's for my English classes, so like if I don't do it, I'm not gonna graduate. Haha, 6, 7, 6, 9. What a fucking combo. I could just work on it right now. On stream. Should I do that? Because I, you know, I'm out of things to do on here. What's good? But now that we have funny 6, 7, 6, 9, it's like I gotta provide. If you stream working on an essay, I will flame you so hard. I never got anything less than an A in any English class. Well, in that case, yeah, I guess Jackery's build contest game it is. Call me Luck, please. Okay, Luck. You don't wanna go by funny 6, 7, 6, 9. Oh, Luke. So we already have a Lucas though, so that's kind of like, I don't know. 6, 7, 6, 9 really just resonates with me. No, I'll call you Luke. If I don't forget. She probably will. Your avatar is Steve Jobs. What's that about? Let me think. Animator tool. I mean, I do wonder, when they added display names, I changed mine to Steve Jobs and I got stuck with it for a week, so I made an outfit for it. That's great. Yeah, I missed the Steve Jobs era of cat blocks. I don't think I ever changed my display name. Or it might just be Highwind, but without the one. It's like, I'm so different. Yeah. Does anyone buy this? I don't know why I've made this. Let me look at F3X. See if there's a way to make it not local. Although... Yeah, I'm not sure. Because you know it would be really cool? It's like... People could theoretically make like obbies with this, where they change like whether a part is like collidable and whatnot, and just have the animation playing on loop. I think that would be really cool. So that's out there. I want to make that an option. That's why I just want to go with. That's why I just want to use After Effects. Maybe for the animating process, I could keep it server-sided, but keep like the original build. And whenever you stop animating, it just loads the first frame or whatever. Yeah, I could do that. So I don't know who's in the know, but loading works, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Like, look at that. Look at that, that's fucking proper. Okay, I might just do that then. I do have some experience with making animators. I might actually just hold on. I might steal this. I made an animator for the Campgrounds 3, which I've used fucking like once. But it was really good. Like, how did this even work? What is saved frames? I don't remember exactly how this system worked. Okay, I see. Does it just not work anymore? I mean, the frames are saved. I don't particularly look forward to remaking this. Me? That is you. So is that germ on your shirt? What's the way I could babyfy that? I guess I should just remake it from scratch. I mean, fuck me, this was 700 lines of code. Oh. That's a big project. That's a really fucking big project. But you know what? Call me Cinnamon Toast Crunch because I'm gonna oh, I'm gonna do it. I am gonna do it. And no one's gonna stop me. I think, okay, the easiest way to do it, that's also the most inefficient way of doing it, is instead of saving changes, I could just save the entire plot. Alright? and that way, you can have different parts and different stuff. But also the issue with that is that you can't have any sort of easing styles. Alright? So that's a curse and a blessing. But that would be theoretically the easiest way to make this system. Yeah. What I missed? Not much. Just thinking out loud. Let me see. I don't want to copy this. It's gonna share a lot of features of. Could you make it so you can spawn avatars? You know what? I'll add that onto my thing. That does sound like a good idea. Also, I was thinking of having game saves. What the fuck? Do I have instant? There you go. So like you can save your plots, but then you can also save, like Jack, whenever he finishes a contest, he can save the whole game, which I think would be pretty cool. Yeah, this could work. Because if you put it to have easing styles, right, you'd have to have a way of sort of identifying each part. So I guess that's hard. 2 weeks? Yeah, I've been coding for 2 weeks. What can I say? I'm just like really fucking smart, you know? What can I say? Normal frickin' obby hiring. Wow. Tell me I could get 1,000 Robux for doing 6 things the whole month? Wow. That's to pay like no other. What the fuck is this from? Hire developers. I don't even want to look at this. Scammers list? No way. Freaking scammers, yo. That's crazy. Someone told me Keynes is mid at school today. You should, like, never talk to them again. Hello. Um, we even need to? Okay. So I was thinking local, right? I mean, it would really. The best way to do it would be like server sided, but like that's gonna. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Hmm. Although, not sure. Yeah, cause like, if it's all server sided, then it should save by default. Okay, cause I reckon the way. Okay, so I reckon the keyframes would have to be saved, right? But I guess the animation as well, so I can get all of the keyframes. Yeah. But you'd also have to save the keyframe like every time you. Every time you make a change to it. No, I think this is good. Yeah. Sure, there's no easing styles, but who needs that anyway? It's a beta, right? So this is, for what it is, pretty good. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I think this could work. Yeah. Where would I even position this? So it doesn't interfere with F3X. I could make it draggable. Or something. Yeah, let's see. What are you doing now? I'm working on an animator, which I think is a pretty cool idea. Menu. Menu. Eh? Hmm. I'm not sure it's supposed to work. Main star. Binge of Donkey Kong to show autosave. That's a great idea. I think you should be in charge of the UI design. A brilliant mind like that. You ever look at someone and wonder, what is going on inside their head? Oh, wait a minute. That's not gonna work. Wait, does that... Oh, man. No, there's gotta be a way for it to influence it, right? Oh, there isn't. Well, then that's fucking useless, isn't it? I thought this would work, but... Guess not. I had high hopes for this, and just like that, they've been crushed. Okay, now I do want to have a stroke here. I swear he had 300 followers yesterday. Now it's 258. 258? Is that even my count? Yeah, it is. I don't know. I don't even know I had 300 or 258. I used to have a lot. You know, it is. Yo, Heavy Lind William, how's it going? And Silly Dino Dude, what's with the 2 new chatters in a row? That's crazy. I'm good, you? I'm doing pretty alright. I know, right? I'm famous. What am I, fucking XQC over here? Oh, mom, I made it. Oh yeah, welcome to the stream, guys. Always happy to see some new faces around here. There's actually more than 3 people in chat. I know, right? That's crazy. Now, you can't even say that, bro, because yesterday we was fucking popping off. I don't know if you were here for that, but yesterday, the chat was going crazy. I felt like an actual big name, you know, like one of the... I was on top of... I was the face of Studio Twitch. What can I say? Those not XQC? I was, okay? In my heart, I was XQC. What game are you making? I'm making a game where you can build stuff. It's a building game. For this YouTuber. You might have heard of him. He's pretty niche, but his name is Jack Race. And currently, I'm working on a system that lets you animate your builds. I'm not even working on the system yet, I'm just making the UI for it. Which, this is what I'm basing it off of. But thank you for the follow, man. I appreciate that. That's freaking amazing, dude. But yeah. You know, I dabble in UI design. So this ain't my first rodeo. You know, let me make that clear. Am I good at it? It's questionable, but no, I'm definitely good at UI design. And this pretty much looks how it should. I can't wait to play it. You know what's crazy? You can actually play it right now. I mean, the fun of it is whenever Jackaries is streaming and everybody, you know, he like judges all of the builds and whatnot, but the game is published. So So the building works. It pretty much, it just uses F3X, with like a different UI and few more features for the playability of it, but I mean, it is playable if you want to try it out. The animator though, I don't know when that's gonna be in the game, if at all. I didn't exactly get the green light on the feature, but I'll make it anyways. My hope is that when Jack sees how awesome this animator feature is, he's gonna be like, dude, yeah, we need this in the game, and then, you know, everybody can say, oh my god, I love you, Highwind, and I'm gonna be like the face of the community. Can you put it in chat? I could do that, as a matter of fact. Here you go. Jackstar Build Mania. There's really not much to do in it right now. Although I do think I was coding a saving feature yesterday, and I do believe that works now, so... I think bro's daydreaming too much. Nah, don't even get me started, dude. This is very acceptable amount of daydreaming. Okay, I mean, this is looking pretty proper. Joining it right now, that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, so that's the start button. Did you ever fix the loading? I did fix it, yeah. I can show you right now. If I go to my plot, I can claim it, and I can load this build. So yeah, the saving and loading works perfectly. At least from what I know. If anyone finds bugs with this system, let me know. But yeah, I'm really like proud of it. It's like, I didn't think it was surprisingly easier than I thought it would be. And yeah. But you know, that's in the past now. We're on to New Horizons. This feels like a mini Roblox studio. Yeah, in a sense. Yeah. I would love to, I mean, I don't know how I would even go about doing this, but I would love to add some form of coding into the plots. Because that would be revolutionary. Studio without the complicated code. Yeah, like if I was to add a coding feature, which maybe, right, huge maybe, it would probably be like Code Block, which a lot of Roblox games have actually done. There used to be this game, You ain't talking? What you mean? What the fuck is talking? But anyways, there used to be this game. I think people still play it, Cat Web, which basically lets you make like your own websites and stuff. It's a really cool game. And you can basically code the websites however you want. So it's a really cool thing. So I would love to add a system like this into the plots, but that would be insane, you know? Simple coding for simple dumb people, since almost everyone on Roblox is a peanut butter. Yeah, like the biggest thing about the biggest challenge about making this game is like, you know, I gotta account for people of all skill groups, right? So with the animator, I am considering like, if it ever does roll out, it might just be accessible to a certain amount of people, because like, you know, say like a dummy head, right, joins the game, he's gonna be like, he wants to use the anime, he's like, how the fuck do I do this? I don't know how this works, right? So even with how simple I think this is, I'm sure there will be people that are like, I don't know how to use it, right? And you know, same concern arises with the coding. So everything I do in this game, I have to make sure that it's as dummy proof as it can be, right? But yeah. And even with the building tools, right? I think the building tools are already really simple, right? I changed the UI to be like 500 Robux Game Pass. I don't know if I'd make it a Game Pass. If anything, it would be like an approval system, right? But like the building tools, I think the UI is already as dummy proof as it can be, right? But even with the current building tools, I have been considering a system that's more similar to like Minecraft. Like, I mean, you can see this, right? Yeah, I make a new part, right? It is very buggy. I do have to fix a lot of things about it. Yeah, like this is. Yeah, there's a lot of issues with it right now that I do have to fix. But if you know, we're not talking about bugs. We're just talking about like the tools themselves. I don't even know, the collisions seem to be off by default, which is weird. Alright, like this is pretty simple, but I was thinking of like a Minecraft-esque building tool where there's like a grid system and you like place blocks, you know, just to make it accessible to, like, fun and accessible to everyone. So that might be something I do in the future. Or I think I'll do that after I create the animator tool. I might ask Jack about it. In fact, yeah, let me ask him right now. But let me find, because there's a Roblox game that sort of utilizes a system like that. Let me see. It was sort of like, I saw Jack play it on stream once. What are those, like, building games in Minecraft called? I forgot what, I feel like there was a name for these, right? Oh, it's Korean. I love Korean. Korean's a really good builder. Build Battle. That's what it's called. Build it. Yeah, so this game, I'm pretty sure utilizes a system like that where it's grid-based and you place blocks and stuff, right? So this is as simple as you can make building. You know, you have your blocks, you place them down. Can I add you, please? Maybe if you stick around, you know, I don't tend to add people, you know, like right off the bat, but if you're a recurring viewer, I might consider. But yeah, I mean, this system is as simple as it gets. So it would pretty much just be this, you know. Oh, you can even resize. I didn't even realize you can do this. Huh, maybe I should just copy this system, because this seems way better than F3X. To be honest. You can't rotate parts, which is a bummer. Like, this is a really good system. Yeah. I might just copy this, not gonna lie. Your build is still here. That is a feature. Um, that's how it's supposed to work. Huh. Yeah, I'm looking at this and like this seems really good. Did I net too? Oh, you even have like effects and stuff. Okay, that's VIP. But you even have different types of blocks and stuff. Yeah, the only thing that's missing here is rotation, but huh. Yeah, now I'm looking at it, I might, I don't know. I mean, I reckon you can pretty much achieve the same thing with F3X. Yeah, like the moving, resizing, and painting, that pretty much works the same. Almost. Yeah, because, like, this works differently from F3X, because it's all, like, separate tools. In F3X, you have to select something, and then you can delete it and stuff. Go about that. I think maybe a preview to like placing parts would be nice. Yeah. I don't know. I definitely should remove like the dragging feature. I don't know, the dragging feature of the move tool is pretty important, but definitely not very optimized. I would love to just fucking remake F3X because F3X is shit. Shit. Doo-doo on a stick is what it is. Are my hands always cold? Diabetes. Oh my god. Wombity mod of the year. Can you play Gravity? So you know what's crazy, silly dino dude? I am a Roblox developer, right? So I tend to focus on development as opposed to playing games. But you know, if you go over to the Roblox category, I'm sure someone could do that. Oh, it's a song. Oh, and in that case, yeah. Sorry for the misconception. Oh, you know, honestly, it's a good song. I can't even lie. I have watched Hazbin Hotel, and this is one of my favorites. I think it's pretty underrated. Let me just fucking play it on Spotify. Well, it's my second favorite. My favorite is I forgot what it's called, but it's the one that Angel Dust sings in the casino with Husk. And it's not Love in a Battle. I think Love in a Bottle is just not all that. I think it's overrated. Loser Baby? That's another really good one, not gonna lie. It's not the one I was thinking of. Yeah, not gonna lie. This song fucking slaps. Like, this shit is good. Hate on Hazbin Hotel as much as you want. Some of the songs too fucking go hard as fuck. You live early? Yeah. I would have gone live even earlier, but didn't wake up on time. Just start listening to Advent songs on stream. I believe in you. Yeah, listen to Matt Check. It's a blorp, yeah. Something Mangus would say. Dude, I tried watching a Mangus stream earlier, and like I just don't know what the fuck is going on. I mean, dude, Mangus. Let me just say this. Let me glaze Mangus a little bit. Mangus is a really good streamer, dude. Like, he's proper streamer. You know what I mean? And he got a new mic. I might ask him what mic he has, cause his mic sounded really fucking good. I don't know if he's still live. He said he's gonna stream like today, tomorrow, and Sunday. But I do want to get a new mic. I think I have money. Or one. I gotta like talk to my accountant and see if I can afford a mic. Don't work. I do appreciate your resilience. It's really impeccable. That's that's the second time that someone has uh done that. By your side. You got it! You did it! Congrats! You're... Hold on, what's that, Yeah, you did it! Woo! That's a feat for the Highland community right there. It was a struggle, but he didn't hesitate for a second. He just... I gotta say, I admire your mindset, To be such a go-getter, just set your mind on something and do it. It's really incredible. I strive to be like you, silly dino dude. In every way that there is. Are you so good at making games? Years of experience, my friend. Years of hard work, hard labor. make I'm gonna make a Roblox game right now. And good luck with that. I mean, gotta say, it really takes guts to go out there into the big world and, you know, just do it, you know. But if you succeed, well, I know you will, because I know you, and tell you're very person. What are you scripting today? Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do much scripting. I was thinking of just making this UI and then calling it a day. But I am working on an animator, which I think would be pretty cool. And the way it's gonna work, it's not like it's a very simple system. The way it's gonna work is it's gonna work with the building tools, and you'll basically be able to like save your entire plot as a keyframe, and then in a new keyframe you can, you know, edit whatever you want with the building tools. Yeah, so it's not like a standard animator where you do like you animate individual parts and you can choose easing styles and whatnot. At least for right now, because this is like just like a proof of concept type thing, you know? Because it would be cool to make an animator that works that way. But for now, this is the idea. Because one of the reasons I want to do it this way, not just because it's way easier, but also it just adds like a whole layer of, you know, interactive builds. Like the first idea that comes to my mind of like the possibilities of this is like obbies, where you know, you could make an animation that makes a part go like transparent and back and forth, you know, or like collidable, right? So you can make an obby where it's like a part and it's like it disappears and then you have to like jump on it when it appears. But really the possibilities with this are endless. feel like that power should be locked behind an hour playtime. Well, the way it's gonna work is whenever the animations aren't gonna be always playing, right? So you would go onto someone's plot, and then you can play the animation, and it's only gonna play for you, client side. Like making the animation that's gonna be on the server, but actually playing it is only gonna happen on the client. The only issue with it is that as simple as I think it is, it might be complicated to a lot of people, and I was thinking of sort of limiting access to the animator itself, not for like the not because someone could exploit it, but because someone could be like, confused on how to use it, and it would be like, you know, kind of annoying to have everyone asking, it's like, oh, how do I do this? How do I do that? Yeah, I mean, it seems simple to us, but you have no idea. This is the Jackers community we're talking about, right? Add a question mark UI and a YouTube link? This is actually a really good idea. Yeah, I might do something like that. I don't know if Roblox permits links to YouTube videos. Yeah, then, they don't, but I'll add some sort of tutorial, like video tutorial like that. Yeah. Sounds like a good idea. Yeah, actually no. Let me see, because Roblox does permit external or like links, but only to certain like approved websites, so offsite links, let's see. You may not link any external websites or services except for YouTube, Facebook. Okay. So I could have a YouTube link in here. That works. Yeah, I wasn't sure. Because one time when I was making the campgrounds too, I took an image of like the fucking, how in Half-Life 2 at the beginning there's like a copyright page with the source logo. Apparently in that screenshot there was a link to the Valve website, and that wasn't one of the approved links or whatever, so I got a warning for that. But yeah, I could definitely do something like that. And it'd also be like free advertising, It's just insane. Like, guys, I do have a YouTube channel. I guess I should add that help button. So. Do that at some point. I don't know if scale and position is a pain in the butt, but when I try to do something, yeah, it takes a while to master, but once you do, it's like amazing. I'd say most of the time you'll find yourself only using scale, but there are instances where offset is useful. But I say use scale as much as you can because yeah. Not saying you should only use scale, but like for this UI, I only use scale, so you know that gives me the assurance that it's gonna look the same on every device, and I only have to mess about with it. Although I think it could be a good idea to use offset because this UI could be too small on mobile, so. Cause scale, yeah, that's the percentage of the parent of the parent container, and offset is just pixels. But there are like instances where like you would want to make this UI like bigger on mobile as opposed to the way it is right now. But it's only a beta, so it's whatever. Because if I go and test this right now in UI or on mobile, yeah, like that's really small, right? I mean, it doesn't look that small on in the studio, but you actually yeah, you can literally do physical size. You can see that's fucking tiny. You know? So you'd want to make this more like something else. But I'm not gonna do all that, to be honest. You should do a tutorial explain the animator, but as an advertisement. Well, for my Twitch. Anything Ransom wishes he would be me. Hold on, I gotta find this screenshot because it was like the funniest shit ever. What is this? You're too late. I hate some of the comments I get under my YouTube videos. I don't get a lot, but when I do, it'll be like... That's not it. Didn't he make get a drink at 3 a.m.? Yeah, this is the game that it was for. And I think the goober is still in there. I don't know. Hold on. Just give me a minute. I gotta find this. Dude, holy shit. You know what's crazy? I used to really look up to CJ. It's fucking what, 3 years ago? No. 4 years ago. Bit over that. I guess I've been... I didn't realize how long I've been coding for. Yeah, I guess it's been like 4 years. But like, dude. This is insane. It'd be funny that for Jack, you put a button called End Event, and it just summons Goober and kills everyone in the server. Yeah, that would be hilarious. I should add the Goober boss fight into the building game. Or some sort of boss fight. Is this fucking screenshot? I know it's in here. How did that work previously? Huh. Okay. Well, this should work. Let's see. Oh no, no. Okay, so now when I go up here, I should see the animator. Right. Okay. Well, I think that's all I'm gonna do today. Actually, let me just test this for good measure. Okay, it does work, yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I might be live later, I don't know. Jack is probably gonna stream soon, so look forward to that. And, yeah, I will see you guys at some point. Happy Thanksgiving. See you guys.